Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Janice Williams, your guide to the latest happenings in the world of business. Main Event Entertainment Group Limited for the 9 months ended July 31, 2024, reported a 31% decline in 9 months net profit. Net profit for the 9 months amounted to $149.02 million, a 31% decrease from the $215.69 million reported in 2023. Wigton Wind Farm has announced to the stock exchange that it is selling its property at Lot 28 Ferry Pen, St. Andrew. Wigton will focus on the renewable energy space rather than real estate development. Further, the company has advised that Norman Nair has been appointed as Chief Commercial Officer effective September 16, 2024. Under the €9.5 million Digital Jamaica project, the Jamaica Business Development Corporation is targeting 2,700 MSMEs in digital technology training. JBDC Chief Executive Officer Valerie Vieira stated at the recently held Digital Jamaica Summit and Showcase hosted at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel that now we've completed year 1, where we were getting our tools right, designing the programs and sharpening all pencils. Now we're launching year 2. This is the exciting part where we actually go out. It's field time. We go out into the field providing hands-on support to our MSMEs. We're getting into your business, conducting workshops, holding sensitization sessions, and delivering comprehensive training, Vieira said. During trading for the period of September 3, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Food and beverage distributor Wisynco Group Limited ordinary shares with 188,201,513 units represent 85.65% of the market volume in terms of sales. Real estate investment firm Epley Caribbean Property Fund Limited with 16,316,237 units represented 7.43% of the market volume in terms of sales. Pharmaceutical distributor Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited ordinary shares with 3,540,090 units represent 1.6% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On September 13, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $59.84 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $41.86 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.86 and bought the US dollars for $158.57. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.71, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 75 cents from the transactions of the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $117.07 and bought for $116.32. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $2.19, selling it for $207.71 and buying it for $205.52. For our credit report tip of the day, if you're dealing with a poor credit score, paying off high interest loans can feel overwhelming. But the good news is, with the right strategies, you can turn it around and start qualifying for lower interest rates. One strategy we suggest is to avoid closing old accounts. The length of your credit history matters. Keep older accounts open to to maintain a healthy average account age. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.